flooring dealers and installers. Make the most of your time and your installation team's time with Forbo's latest industry-changing innovation, the Easy Drops Roll Transport System. With the Easy Drops system, Forbo continues to simplify flooring installations while increasing installers' productivity and reducing their physical stress. Tired of dragging big rolls of flooring around in dollies and hand trucks? Wondering why you need 2 people just to position that next roll? We all know that moving heavy rolls around a job site the conventional way is cumbersome and draining for installers, but no more. Now you can make the most of your valuable time and better protect your products and your people. With the Easy Drops Roll Transport System from Forbo, moving, positioning, and rolling out sheet drops is so easy. Take a look. Many installers use a traditional dolly or hand truck method, and in some cases also need a coworker's valuable time to load, move, position, and roll out drops of sheet-based flooring product. It's often a cumbersome, tiring, wasteful process, and sometimes it's even dangerous, but no longer. Forbo's Easy Drops Roll Transport System is a time and energy-saving breakthrough, a simple yet brilliantly engineered system that turns a standard hand-powered jack into a streamlined rolled flooring delivery and drop system. One installer working alone can easily do it. Simply place the Easy Drops collar and pin on any standard pallet jack, then load whatever rolled flooring product you're working with, and you've transformed a piece of common warehouse equipment into an incredibly efficient and easy-to-use positioning, measuring, delivery, and dropping machine. The Easy Drop system works with most standard pallet jacks. Simply position the jack, measure, roll out, and cut each drop quickly and easily. With Forbo's Easy Drops Roll Transport System, you can increase your speed, efficiency, and safety. Installers and warehouse workers can still use the pallet jack normally to handle day-to-day tasks with the collar on. Simply remove the pin and leave the support collar in place. If you'd like to start saving time, money, and effort on every rolled flooring installation with the Easy Drops Roll Transport System, contact your local Forbo representative today for pricing and delivery information. Thanks for your time and happy installing with the Easy Drops Roll Transport System from Forbo Flooring North America.